Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you DIY project. This is hand-free toilet flush. This is original DIY project, never been before. Cheap, fun, creation. Let's see how it works. That is plastic black blocks to install sensor switch inside. Can you see I make the hole saw on the top for the body motion sensor. That is a washing machine motor drain pump. Underneath toilet seat with two bolts to install hook up with the motor. Up and down with the guitar string. To connect between motor and water push switch. So let's see how this works. Can you see that? I push my hand strap on the sensor motion switch and then it works. Okay, let's try again one more time. Can you see all string down from the top down to the pump? Again, this is a switch push for water. In this part, you see, push switch water. So how it works? I use the drill, small drill, make a hole underneath and then put the guitar string on that. Use a piece of wood to hold up the motor pump. Underneath they have two bolts to hook up with the toilet seat. Just in case, make sure waterproof system or water resistant need to be installing to protect motor pump from water. That the motor run 220 volt. You need something to cover up. If you can get lower voltage than this, that'd be nice. This is the equipment you need: washing machine, drain pump motor, and switch sensor adjustment. So how to setting the sensor switch? So on the top, select on all day, and second one down, select on 15 seconds. So this expand joist sensor switch with the 4 cables. Two longer one, brown one is the live, and blue one is the negative. Another two short one go to the motor. This picture show you how the motor pump work because of spring. In this picture show you how to install spring into motor's string with one link on top and another one on bottom, and put like a choke spring between them. That's it. So hope you enjoy. It's useful. Thank you very much to join with me. Hope you have fun and see you next video. Thanks. Bye.